Hello everybody, this is Ali Reza. Welcome back to another tutorial of my YouTube channel, Smart Home. In this tutorial, I will introduce ESP Web Tools. So what is it? ESP8266 and ESP32 are microcontrollers, and they are nothing without their software, as software is the brain of microcontrollers. Installing software on microcontrollers is difficult to start, but due to the mission of Home Assistant developers, by using ESP Web Tools, users are enabled to install the software on their microcontrollers via browser in 3 steps. So to install ESPHome firmware on your ESP8266 or ESP32, all you have to do is navigate to ESP Web Tools page. Connect the microcontroller to computer and hit the install button on the website. The tool will automatically select the right build for your controller and install it. In the description you can find the link of ESP Web Tools page. Let's try it out. I navigate to ESP Web Tools page, then connect my ESP8266 to computer using USB cable. After that, I select install. This is my device. If the serial port is not showing up, your computer needs drivers for the USB serial chip used in your ESP device. In the description, you can find links of 2 drivers that work for most ESP devices. Okay, I selected the device, then I click on connect. The only drawback at the moment is that the tool is not available on all browsers and you have to use Chrome or Edge. In this video, I'm using Chrome. That's it. By using ESP Web Tools, I easily installed ESPHome firmware on my ESP8266 device. I search for Wi-Fi networks. I can see ESP Web Tools setup. I click on it to connect it, then select connect. After connecting to the Wi-Fi of the device, running ESPHome firmware, using web browser, entering the IP of the device, which its default IP address is 192.168.4.1, you can connect to the device. In this page, I can connect the device to my router. So after installing ESPHome firmware on your device, by connecting to its Wi-Fi and entering its default IP address into the browser, this page will open. By entering the name of your router and the password of your Wi-Fi network, you can connect the device to your network. After entering my Wi-Fi network's credentials, I click on Save. It needs some time to connect to your network. After a few moments, I select my Wi-Fi network, connect to it. After connecting your ESP device to your Wi-Fi network, you can find its IP in your network using IP scanners. This is the IP of my ESP device. I navigate to it using Chrome. The ESP device running ESPHome firmware is ready to be used. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done already. I will see you in the next video.